Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Katara and I'm doing internship from Internship Gate. My first project was to build a chatbot for the official website of Internship Gate. For building the chatbot, we used Google's Dialogflow platform. Our goal was to create a user-friendly chatbot where user can easily get solutions of their queries and also know more about the Internship Gate platform with just one click. For this, firstly we created the intents. That means what users want to ask to the chatbot. The first intent or the first message which will be displayed by the chatbot is given under the welcome intent. In this, the first message popped up will be the greetings to the user, followed up with the services provided by the internship gate. For displaying the services, we have used the suggestion chips. In this, user just have to click on one of the suggestion chip and he will be given more information about that particular service. We have also created further intents, which are the services provided by the internship gate. For example, career accelerator, internship, online training, etc. Some of the intents also have the follow-up intents, which means, for example, here, Career Accelerator has the follow-up intents, domestic internship, gap duration, global internship. So, follow-up intents are the messages which will be displayed after user has selected one of the previous services. For example, if a user selects Career Accelerator in the first message, then he will be displayed the information about the Career Accelerator and with the another buttons containing domestic internship, gap duration and global internship as the options. For the training purpose of the chatbot, we have used knowledge base feature. In this, we have created 4 knowledge bases which denotes the 4 major services provided by Internship Gate, and each of the knowledge base contains the frequently asked questions related to that service. For this, we have used Google Sheets and which contain the FAQs and we have uploaded that. By this, we have trained our chatbot. For deploying the chatbot on the Internship Gate platform, we have used the integration feature of the Dialogflow. By this integration, we can integrate our chatbot not only on websites but also on different platforms like Facebook, Line, Telegram, Slack, etc. For our chatbot, we have used Dialogflow Messenger feature. Now I will show you a demo of the chatbot. As you can see in the rightmost corner, an icon with the message has been popped up. So this is how will be the first message of the chatbot. And if the user wants to know about any particular service, he just need to click on the service. Like for example, if a user clicks internship, so he or she will be given the brief information about the internships and then there will be the follow-up messages like how to apply for the internship program run by internship gate. Additionally, we have given two more options, which is go back to start and ask another query. In case if the user has the query which is not listed in the options given by the chatbot, so user has to just click on ask another query and he can ask his query. And if user wants to know about the other services, so he just need to click on go back to start and he will be redirected to the first message displayed by the chatbot. So if he needs to know more about the another service, he just need to click on it and he will be given the information about that particular service. Like if he wants to know about the program variants, he just just have to click the button and he will be given the information about the program variant. And if the user wants to know more about it, he just need to click the button like this. He will be redirected to the page of the internship gate where all the information regarding to the queries will be given. Lastly, I would like to say that I really love the way Internship Gate has designed the online internship program with Career Accelerator program. I would recommend everyone to please join Internship Gate for your internship. It is a great platform for learning new technologies and gaining hands-on experience with them. Thank you.